Churachandpur Medical College observed World Breastfeeding Week 2025 at Imphal campus located at Kiamgai, spearheaded by the college's Department of Community Medicine. College Administrator Professor Gangmay Angam, Dean of Academics Professor C.H. Arun Kumar and Sub-Dean of Academics and Associate Professor of Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology Dr. Okram Sarda attended the observance held on the theme Prioritize Breastfeeding, Create Sustainable Support Systems. Addressing the event, Dr. Okram Sarda explained in detail about galactagogues for breastfeeding mothers, focusing on foods and substances that help increase breast milk production. She emphasized that practical dietary approaches to support lactating mothers and stressed on the need to organize community awareness. Medical college faculty, staff and interns including foreign medical graduates undergoing training, as well as ASHA and Anganwadi workers and members of village level federations attended the event.